Changing your business name on your Facebook page is way harder than it should be. Like, you'd think it's a simple edit, but Facebook wants you to work for it, probably to prevent scammy rebrands. But yes, it's totally possible. First things first, go to your Facebook business page while logged in as an admin. If you don't have admin privileges, you're out of luck. No edit option will even appear, so make sure you're the boss in page roles. Now on your page, click on About in the left-hand column. This panel holds key business details Facebook wants you to get right. Find the Name section and hover over it. The little pencil icon is your golden ticket. Click the pencil icon next to your current page name. A little box will pop up. That's where you type the new name. Facebook doesn't allow a total 180 switch. No Bob's Tacos suddenly becoming Crypto Wealth Institute. Your new name has to reflect your existing business. They literally say, your name can't mislead people and must accurately represent your business. So you can refine and evolve the name, but not reinvent the wheel. After you submit, you wait. And this isn't like Amazon Prime 2-day delivery. Facebook says they'll review the change, which could take up to 3 days. But in my experience, it's usually closer to 24 hours unless you're shady. Here's the curveball. If your page has a ton of followers or recent name changes, Facebook might reject your request. I've seen people locked out of changes for 60 days. It's like getting ghosted by a robot. One of the top reasons for rejection is your name doesn't match the content of your page. If your page talks about yoga but you try renaming it to Pacific Legal Group, Facebook will throw hands, digitally speaking. Pro tip, if your name change gets denied, don't just try again immediately. Change your content first to reflect the new direction. Update your About section, bio, and descriptions. Then wait a week. It looks more legit. Also, and this has burned people, don't just make a totally new page with the new name. Facebook's algorithm will throttle the reach of that new page like it's in social media purgatory. Keep your existing one if you can. If your name change is approved, all the updates go live automatically. Facebook won't email you or throw a party. You just visit your page one day and boom, it's different. Like your business just got an eye lift. People ask, will my followers be notified? Technically, no. Facebook doesn't push a notification, but people will notice. So do a post explaining the new name and why. Just be real about it. People like seeing the journey.